Ira po from Rappler. When you announced that this documentary is gonna premiere and nakita ng fans dun sa trailer si Yani talking very lightly about the legal things that that you guys went through. The fans were really very quick to conclude na ay i-discuss nila sa film yung pinagdaanan nila, or not really discuss, but they will talk about it or say something about it. The question is for Direct Jed, kasi how did the legal stuff affect production of the film? How do I say that? Content-wise, did you think that it changed the direction of the film? And as a director, was this your first time to be involved in a project that, you know, is undergoing, you know, that should be careful in terms of these kinds of things? And how did you handle?
Well, lahat naman ng documentary, meron siyang parang, like, to place plot twist, no? Pero, no matter what happened, yung documentary naman ng pagtatag, matatapos at matatapos kasi talaga. So, that's just like something that happened, very big, in the middle of things, when everything's so high up. Pero truthfully, when that happened, din nga, sabi ko kanina, I was not there, I was not with them. And ako rin, parang, what's happening? And they handled it so cleanly that honestly, yung challenge for me was to paano to i-discuss if it's like very cleanly handled, like very properly done, no? So then, so the treatment for this is like how my team and me handled it is like going internal. So because of these specific issues, like internal yung yung approach for this, like their aspirations, their journey, it has to persevere, it has to move on. So parang kailangan may progress pa rin. So no matter what happened, at the end of this naman, it will be through and through, it will be finished pa rin. Pero that plot twist talaga, it took everyone by surprise. So I guess that's from me. That's it from me.
Siguro po, basically, syempre po marami nangyari talaga. Kumbaga, kung ano po yung napanood nyo, gano'n naman talaga yung nangyari. But during that time, siguro, sa sitwasyon namin, we don't have like the mind to magpa-video tayo, i-document natin itong mga bagay na to. So basically, wala talaga kaming may ilalabas during that time. And to elaborate naman yung mga pangyayari, it's like for the confidentiality na rin po ng everyone. But for us, na syempre, I think na-present naman namin ng maayos yung the story of pagtatag, even though not taking too much details dun po sa part na yon. Kasi the important there is yung feelings po and yung importance nung pangyayari na yon on how the struggle happened, kung paano namin siya nasolusyonan. Ayun po.
Yes, absolutely. Yes po. Does Pablo, do you have anything to add, Pablo?
Galing.
Okay na. And you know what? Grabe rin po talaga the conflict, the sinabi nyo, the plot twist was really quite a challenge. But even narrative-wise, story-wise, mas pinaganda pa niya yung era na yon. At talagang pagtatag the documentary, talagang mas tumatag talaga kayo after that one. Really unexpected, parang naging blessing in disguise, diba? And so thank you very much for that wonderful question. And so